Assalamualaikum friends, I am your host Dr. Zain and welcome to our channel Health Related Information. Today I will discuss the topic COVID-19 vaccine. A COVID-19 vaccine is a hypothetical vaccine against coronavirus disease 2019. A fight against a global coronavirus pandemic continued yesterday. Coronavirus has affected millions of people in worldwide. Although people are recovering, fresh cases are emerging in thousands daily. The world is gripped in fear and suffering from the lack of preparedness and basic health infrastructure, as governments around the world are scrambling and looking for ways to limit and control the virus. Even have their peak effectiveness contained with strategies have only it slow the spread of COVID-19. No drug has made any significant difference, and now all eyes have turned to the prospect of a vaccine, because the only way to confirm the safety of the people to vaccinate them and make them immune to the virus itself. 35 companies and academic institutions are racing to create such a vaccine, at least 4 of which have already been testing it on animals. The first of these, produced by Boston-based biotechnology from Moderna, will enter human trials imminently. COVID-19 vaccine reaches phase 2 trials in China. An inactivated COVID-19 vaccine candidate developed by the Institute of Medical Biology under the Chinese Academy of Medical Sciences has entered phase 2 clinical trials in China. The phase 2 trials, which further evaluate the immunogenicity and safety of the vaccine in humans, are conducted in the southwestern province of Yunnan. So far, 5 COVID-19 vaccine candidates have been approved for clinical trials in China, accounting for 40% of the total vaccines in clinical trials worldwide, according to the Ministry of Science and Technology. COVID-19 vaccine may be ready by October, claims pharma company. New York global pharmaceutical major Pfizer believes that a vaccine to prevent COVID-19 could be ready by the end of October, the company CEO said. Pfizer is conducting clinical trials in US and Europe for the BNT162 vaccine program to prevent COVID-19 in collaboration with the German messenger RNA company BioNTech. It is here that most of you will ask this question: how do vaccines work and how will vaccines save us? All vaccines work according to the same basic principle. They present a part or all of the pathogen to the human immune system at a low dose. The immune system studies it and produces unique antibodies to kill the pathogen. There are many ways how vaccines are produced. That the principle is same. The immune system should recognize the vaccine and respond by producing antibodies. This is known as immune response. Immune responses can be generated by various means. Traditionally, a small dose of weak form of virus inactivated by heat or chemicals is injected into the body, and the immune system responds by producing antibodies against this pathogen. However, this is the crude form of immunization. Newer methods are more targeted and specific. These are gene recombinant vaccines. Towards itself means taking the genes and combining them for a specific use. In these, the information within the genes of the virus is studied. We understand what makes the virus so lethal on a genetic level, and then use this information to create a similar effect in humans without actually exposing the human to the virus itself. Coronavirus have caused 2 other recent epidemics: an epidemic of severe acute respiratory syndrome, also known as SARS, in China in 2004, and the Middle East respiratory syndrome, also known as MERS, which started in Saudi Arabia in 2012. This new coronavirus COVID-19 share around 80 to 90% similarities to the SARS virus of 2003. Hence, some exposure also call this virus as SARS-CoV-2. In both cases, work has begun on vaccines. One company, Maryland-based Novavax, has now repurposed those vaccines for SARS-CoV-2, and according to Novavax, human trials begin soon. How soon will the vaccine be available? Researchers worldwide are working overtime to develop experimental but potentially life-saving vaccines. This is the great sign for the world. But as Bruce Gellin from Sabin Vaccine Institute says, not all horses that leave the starting gate will finish the race, but there is a push to do things as fast as possible. It's really important not to take a shortcut. But he is referring to is the most crucial step in vaccine making, which are the clinical trials. Simply said, the goal of a clinical trial is to learn whether the vaccine will work or not, called efficacy, and to learn whether the vaccine is safe, called safety. Clinical trials usually take place in 3 phases. The first phase, involving a few dozen healthy volunteers, tests the vaccine for safety and monitoring of adverse effects. The second phase, involving the several hundred people, usually in the part of the world affected by the disease, looks at how effective the vaccine is. And the third phase does the same in several thousand people. How soon will the vaccine be available? Well, that's the million-dollar questions. President Trump, at the meeting at a White House on June 2020, pressed for the vaccine to be ready by the US in November 2020. This has led to widespread confusion among the people because many scientists and vaccine experts like Annelies Wilder-Smith, she is a professor of infectious disease and the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine, stated, "I don't think this vaccine will be ready before 12 to 18 months." She also says the pandemic will probably have peaked and declined before a vaccine is available. A vaccine could still save many lives, especially the virus has possible seasonal outbreaks. For more and latest information, subscribe our official YouTube channel Health Related Information and click on the bell icon to get notification. Thanks for your support.